Dirt Fishman, y'all. It's my boy gonna open up some more Hot Wheels for y'all, and we want to say our hays. Hey! All right, y'all. Let's turn this thing around and open up some cars. No. There we go. They didn't want to work.
Start off with the whole thing.
Yeah, we can. All right, Joe. First is going to be the Volkswagen T2 pickup.
What's wrong with it? It didn't in the package. You have to stop.
Check it out in there, out, y'all.
Oh, you have to stop.
I don't know what's wrong with that turner. Every time it gets kind of cold here, it wants to make a noise. Okay, up next, y'all, is going to be a big air bear there.
And look at the gasser.
It's a gasser.
It's a gasser.
Throw the pieces right here, baby.
It's a huge gasser. It's a huge gasser.
It's an off-road.
Big off-road gasser. What car is this?
It's a Corvette, baby.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, up next is going to be the 64 Corvette Stingray.
Look at that thing.
Come on, man, put this stuff right here. Alright, y'all, that was on the turner. And check this one out, y'all. I don't want to focus. There we go. Alright, y'all. Well, that one's on the turner. We're going to open up the 98 Subaru Impreza 22R STV version. Here you go, baby.
STV version?
Yeah.
Special. Almost a minute.
Alright, y'all, check this one out.
There's almost a man down there, guys. There's almost a man down there.
Alright, y'all, that one's on the turner, y'all. We're going to open up the 70 Toyota Celica.
Cool. And look how it has a Hot Wheel license plate.
What, baby?
Look how it has a Hot Wheel license plate on the package, but it doesn't actually on. It's
on
not
the car.
actually on the Hot Wheel on the front of it.
Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the 98 Honda Prelude. Alright, y'all. Open up some older cars. Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the 10 ProStark Camaro Pictionary.
Wait. What's this?
Come on now, hurry.
Why?
You gotta get it open, baby. You gotta open it.
Daddy?
Alright, y'all. Now we're gonna be opening up the 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. You just ripping them open, ain't you?
Almost a man down there. Right between your fingers. I meant to do a trick.
Yeah, I
Right
see
between
that.
your fingers.
Saw that. You sure did. Here y'all, the SS. Alright, well that one's gonna turn y'all. We're gonna open up the 2017 Ford GT.
The last one.
Yeah.
It's fun looking.
GT40. All right, y'all. Here goes the GT40 down the turn, and that's gonna be our last one right there, y'all, for this little video right here. We're just turn this thing around and say our goodbyes to y'all.
Watch them. They watch.
You ready?
They watch. They watch. They watch. Watch. Yay.
All right, y'all. Say bye.
Bye.
Say peace out.
Peace. How about we choose